So let's talk a little bit about the HDM, the Harmonized Data Model. First of all, it's not something totally different. It's just an evolutionary stage of the Idea Connector's data model. And the whole purpose of the Harmonized Data Model, or the HDM, is to consolidate all of the information that's required to support multiple syndication formats. In the previous system, if you wanted to support multiple syndication formats, you had to load the data multiple times to be able to cover the multiple syndication formats. So that just doesn't scale. And when a lot of that information is similar or common, it didn't make sense because it was just hugely redundant. The Product Data Standards Task Force came up with a proposal to IDEA that said, let's just build a harmonized data model. And it's all handled on the backside with syndication. So if you have elements that are specific only to one syndication format, well, that gets carried. But if there's multiple attributes that are shared across all of the syndication formats, well, you only have that in there once. And it all gets sorted out when you go to syndicate to a specific syndication format. And that was the vision. That was the dream